Welcome to Technia TV. I am Dr. Amit Kumar, Faculty of Management Department, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on entrepreneurship and economic development. Following are the roles of entrepreneurship on the economic development of the country. Promotes capital formation. Entrepreneurs promote capital formation by mobilizing the idle savings of public. They employ their own as well as borrowed resources for setting up their enterprises. Such type of entrepreneurial activity leads to value addition and creation of wealth, which is very essential for the industrial and economic development of the country. Creates large-scale employment opportunities. Entrepreneurs provide immediate large-scale employment to the unemployed, which is a chronic problem of underdeveloped nations. With the setting up of more and more units by entrepreneurs, both on small and large scale, numerous job opportunities are created for others. As time passes, these enterprises grow, providing direct and indirect employment opportunities to many more. In this way, entrepreneurs play an effective role in reducing the problem of unemployment in the country, which in turn clears the path towards economic development of the nation. Promotes balanced regional development. Entrepreneurs help to remove regional disparities through setting up of industries in less developed and backward areas. The growth of industries and business in these areas lead to a large number of public benefits like road, transport, health, education, entertainment, etc. Setting up of more industries leads to more development of backward regions and thereby promotes balanced regional development. Wealth creation and distribution. It stimulates equitable redistribution of wealth and income in the interest of the country to more people and geographic areas, thus giving benefit to larger sections of the society. Entrepreneurial activities also generate more activities and give a multiplier effect in the economy. Increasing gross national product and per capita income. Entrepreneurs are always on the lookout for opportunities. They explore and exploit opportunities, encourage effective resource mobilization of capital and skill, bring in new products and services, and develop markets for growth of the economy. In this way, they help increasing gross national product as well as per capita income of the people in a country. Increase in gross national product and per capita income of the people in a country is a sign of economic growth. Improvement in the standard of living. Increase in the standard of living of the people is a characteristic feature of economic development of the country. Entrepreneurs play a key role in increasing the standard of living of the people by adopting latest innovations in the production of wide variety of goods and services in large scale at a lower cost. This enables the people to avail better quality goods at lower prices, which results in the improvement of their standard of living. Promotes country's export trade. Entrepreneurs help in promoting a country's export trade, which is an important ingredient of economic development. They produce goods and services in large scale for the purpose of earning huge amount of foreign exchange from export in order to combat the import duties requirement. Hence, import substitution and export promotion ensure economic independence and development. I hope you must have understood the concepts of entrepreneurship and its role in economic development. For watching more videos like this, please subscribe to Technia TV. Thank you.